guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks, and this is Himanshi coming up with the new video. I hope you can see little shine in my hair, and it is very uniform and gives a smooth finish. So with this note, today I'll be reviewing one product which is my favorite, which is L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. Guys, this product I have been using from past 3 months and I am not disappointed at all. This has given me all that benefit which I expected from a serum, and also this is multi-purpose, versatile, how much ever and how many ways you wanted to use this serum for sure, because this is the conclusion even I have come up seeing other people talking about this serum, and I feel that this is one of the best serum I have ever seen till date. So now what are the good points about that? So they say that this has got blend of 6 flowers which provides you the complete nourishment to the hairs, and reason why this can be different from other serums. So from when I started using this product, I have not tried it at once or for a single use. I tried this in a different multiple uses. For an example, when I go for a shower, before 30 minutes I apply this and then I go for shower, and I have genuinely noticed that the hair fall is less. Reason why, this detangles your hair, and when you go and take shower, it's really easy to wash it off. Also, you can use it post your shower, or if you are styling your hair in multiple ways, if you wanted to have a curl or a straight hair or wavy hair, you can surely use this as a heat protectant. Apart from that, this could also be good as a night conditioner. Before you are off to the bed, you can just put this on and just sleep off, and the morning when you get up and see, your hair would be very silky and smooth. So guys, I have also used different serum from L'Oreal Paris, but this is my favorite so far because this is very lightweight and non-greasy formula. Now how to use it? They say that you can put 2 to 3 drops on your palm and apply from the tip till the till you go down till your hair. However, I don't apply on the tip because I don't feel this is required. I just put it, I just take it on my palm and I just put it down my hair so that it becomes detangled. However, if you wanted to use it on the tips, it's all up to you. So the product is available in 2 sizes, and it is available on different websites like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, wherever you wanted to purchase. I will surely be attaching the link so that you can buy. So the product is available in 2 quantity. One is of 30 ml and another is 100 ml. The bottle which I showed you out here is of 100 ml. And when I bought this 3 months ago, I did not get any discount, but I had seen so much good review, and I was so tempted that I just wanted to try this product. I bought this. However, if you see on Nykaa or other sites, they always have some kind of a discount on. If you see on Nykaa, the smaller bottle if you purchase, you'll get 30% off, and the bigger bottle you'll get some 10% off. And trust me guys, from the day I bought it, I'm just blown away. I was looking for a serum which can help me in multiple purposes. Sometimes I want to have some styling going on, and this product truly solves the purpose and definitely provides the nourishment which you are looking for. The 30 ml product price is of $299 and 100 ml product price is of $499. However, as I mentioned, you will surely get good discount on the website. So I'll show you how to use L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil. This, you can see you have got the pump out here. I totally love the product which has got pump because this would be really mess free. So just take this, just put it, and yeah, I think so much is enough. See, it's up to you. If your hair is small, then accordingly you can take it off, and if it is long, then you can take a little more also, not a problem. Can you see instantly it has given me the brightness and the glossiness to my hair which I was looking for. I had used other serum also from L'Oreal Paris, but I haven't seen this kind of a shine that had provided me. So I'm totally happy with this product. So that's it for today's guys. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you wanted to purchase this product, from my end, it is surely a go ahead, thumbs up for the product. If you have got a frizzy, dull, dry hair, and if you're looking for one serum which can help you, which can solve your purpose, and you don't have to look for so many products, you can surely choose this product. Thank you so much for watching this video and giving me your valuable time. I will soon be coming up more reviews video, and you can comment me below if you wanted to see some more. If at all you like this video and find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and like this video. Bye.